In the heart of the barren savannah, an unexpected crisis struck Leo's pride, testing their bond. Together, they set out on a perilous journey to seek a lifeline amidst the drought's relentless grip. Every step brought them closer to a hidden oasis, yet unknown challenges lurked ahead. A glimmer of optimism arose as they neared the oasis, only to find it besieged by desperate creatures. With wisdom, playfulness, and courage, they devised a plan to ensure harmony in times of scarcity. Amidst brewing conflict, Leo faced his ultimate test of leadership, to protect his kin without resorting to violence. Through empathy and unity, adversaries turned into allies, forging a new era of togetherness in the savannah. In a harmonious oasis, under the benevolent moon's glow, friendship triumphed over enmity, a testament to Leo's enduring legacy.